The best and permanent facial hair removal for women at home. A 100% natural way for chin hair removal. Unwanted facial hair on the face is the biggest nightmare for women. Facial hair treatment like laser hair removal at home or waxing can make our faces not only red and spotty, but also swollen and sore, where the natural facial hair removal is the best way to remove facial hair. Papain enzyme present in raw papaya dilates the hair follicles, causing the hair to fall out, as well as papaya is also very good for skin. It works as an exfoliator, removing the dead skin cells. Those with sensitive skin. This is perfectly suitable for chin hair removal and to remove upper lip hair, though the natural remedies to reduce facial hair take longer to show results. But sticking to this natural facial hair removal cream won't damage your sensitive facial skin, unlike those ways to remove facial hair that promise instant results, and unless you are allergic to any of the ingredients, they will not have any side effects. This will help to remove facial hair and stop facial hair growth. It is the best way to remove facial hair for women at home. We all know that lentils makes our skin brighter, but to make a face pack for unwanted facial hair removal, lentils takes an important role. All women have a small amount of facial hair. If you get those stray chin hairs, you are not alone. This is one of little known but effective ways on how to remove facial hair permanently without using hair removal cream. Female facial hair is common yet considered abnormal, and the female chin hair removal methods are really nightmare. Potatoes have several skin benefits. Therefore, using the lentil and potatoes mixture not only the best and permanent hair removal method, but also helps in lightening your skin tone. There are many innovations in hair removal for women and brush up on new techniques to remove ladies' facial hair. But the best way to get rid of facial hair is always natural facial hair removal at home, which are, as you know, much better for your skin than their chemical counterparts. Hair removal for women just got easier nowadays. There are various chin hair removal methods available in the market, but the truth about chin hair in women happens from hormonal imbalances. So to get rid of chin hairs and unwanted hair, these are the best ways ever. Keep your skin well moisturized and follow the best way to remove female facial hair which suits you. In no time, you will have a smooth skin that will make others go green with envy. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty.